Fundamentals of language modeling. Basics of natural language processing. Definition of natural language processing, NLP. Natural language processing, NLP, is a branch of artificial intelligence, AI, that focuses on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language in a way that is both meaningful and contextually appropriate. Key concepts in NLP. Tokenization, breaking down text into smaller units such as words or subwords. Part-of-speech tagging, assigning grammatical tags to words, e.g., noun, verb, adjective. Named entity recognition, NER, identifying and categorizing named entities, e.g., person names, locations, organizations in text. Syntax and parsing, analyzing the grammatical structure of sentences to understand relationships between words. Semantic analysis, extracting the meaning from text, including word sense disambiguation and semantic role labeling. Discourse analysis, understanding the structure and coherence of larger units of text, such as paragraphs or documents. Statistical language modeling. Definition of language modeling. Language modeling is the task of predicting the next word, or sequence of words, in a given context. It captures the probability distribution over sequences of words in a language. Statistical language models. Statistical language models estimate the probability of a word sequence using statistical techniques. N-gram models are a simple type of statistical language model that calculates the probability of the next word based on the preceding N1 words. Limitations of N-gram models include the inability to capture long-range dependencies and the sparsity of training data for high-order N-grams. Challenges in language modeling. Out-of-vocabulary words, handling words not seen during training. Data sparsity, dealing with rare or unseen word combinations. Long-term dependencies, capturing dependencies between distant words in a sequence. Evaluation metrics for language models. Perplexity, a measure of how well a language model predicts a sample of text. Lower perplexity indicates better performance. Word error rate, WER, the percentage of words in a recognized transcript that differ from the reference transcript. Recent advances. Neural language models, neural network-based language models, such as recurrent neural networks, RNNs, and transformers, have achieved state-of-the-art performance by capturing complex linguistic patterns and contextual information.